How to use GameStop gift card on Xbox One. Welcome and let's get right into this tutorial. For this, firstly locate the code. Find the unique code associated with your GameStop gift card. This is usually a 25-character alphanumeric code hidden under a scratch-off area on the back of the physical gift card, or within the email if it's a digital gift card. Then you need to power on your Xbox One and sign in into your Xbox Live account. Navigate to the Xbox Store. You'll be able to find it on the home screen by scrolling left or by selecting the Store tab. Browse the Xbox Store for games, add-ons, or other content you want to purchase. Instead of clicking buy directly, look for a link or button that says redeem a code or use a code. It might be located near the price information or below the buy button. After you locate the button, now enter the gift card code. Double check the code for any typos before proceeding. Once you have confirmed it, tap on the redeem option. And that is how you'll be able to use a GameStop gift card. And it's a wrap for the video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.